Now let's highlight the key feature using relative clauses. Again, focus could be put on figures and on categories. Now we're going to discover both in this video. So private studios accounted for 48%, and relative clause, what is it? We say which. When I say which, I'm talking about the last word here that it refers to. So which is talking about 48%. Always. It never talks about this. That's a mistake. Only about this. All right, which, what is it? This is a figure, right? I can describe only the figure here, which was the highest figure in the pie chart or in the chart. That's it. Now, the question stands here, how can I then focus on the category if which will always talk about the figure? This can never be a category. For me to use a relative clause as a category, I need to have the word private studios before the word which. Alright, this can be achieved if you manage to use somebody did something structure here. It may take a little more time, it may take a little more practice, and right now, if you cannot master this, and if you're still mastering this, it's not advisable for you to use this. If this is easy for you, then you can use the structure I'm going to show now. Alright, so I have to put private studios in the end, right? So how it goes? 48% of what? Not private studios, of dance classes. This is all dance classes. This is a part of dance classes, right? 48% of dance classes. 48% of dance classes were passwords conducted, so they like happened, проводились, were conducted in private studios. Private studios. All right, always make sure your sentences make sense. Here I had to add a lot of words on my own because I had understanding. And now I just go ahead and put which. I can put which. Now I'm describing category, private studios, which were the most common location. That's it. How about this case when we're grouping key features? Now, in this case, again, advisable, you stick with simple sentence structure and you stick with figures. This structure is not efficient, it's not worth it.